Science 14 Unit D. Excuse me, Science 14 Unit D. Section 12.5, Cycles of Matter. Matter is recycled in nature. Plant matter is broken down by animals that eat it, and matter is moved through food chains from organism to organism. And these cycles that we're going to talk about are the reuse of matter in ecological systems. The water cycle, for example, is a cycle that maintains supplies of vast quantities of water necessary for life on land. Water falls to Earth as rain, evaporates back into the atmosphere, condenses as clouds, and falls again as rain. So that's an example of part of the water cycle, or one sort of loop of the water cycle. Carbon and oxygen cycles, these are tied together. Oxygen is given off by plants during photosynthesis. Carbon dioxide is used by plants during the same process. And all organisms use oxygen and give off carbon dioxide during the process of cellular respiration. So that occurs in all living things. And that's the carbon and oxygen cycles. Also part of that is that decomposers use oxygen when breaking down dead organisms and animal waste. The nitrogen cycle, last one we're going to look at for this video, is, well, first of all, nitrogen is gas that's an important nutrient for all plants and animals. They need it for growth. This gas is converted to nitrates, which plants and animals can actually use. There are certain bacteria that convert nitrogen gas to forms that are useful for plants. And when plants and animals die, the compounds in their bodies containing nitrogen are converted by other bacteria to make nitrates. Nitrates are used again and again by plants or returned to the atmosphere as nitrogen gas. And so that's the nitrogen cycle. Working with natural cycles, a mixture of decomposing plants and soil is called compost. Composting is one way to recycle yard and kitchen waste, or organic waste, and to reduce the volume of garbage sent to landfills for disposal. Sometimes your municipality might do the composting for you, or you can do it in your own yard, either by buying kits or just making a compost pile or those sorts of things. So rather than putting your kitchen waste in the garbage, you can actually compost it. And that is section 12.5.